This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, YouTube updates its ad-friendly guidelines after pushback. Tesla is under investigation after reports of its steering wheel falling off while driving. Spotify announces redesigns for its podcast and introduces new features, and more. YouTube's gaming community is protesting against the platform's new policy, which demonetized old videos for some creators without warning. The policy, introduced in November of 2022, aims to make certain content more advertiser-friendly. The policy overhauled the platform's approach to profanity and violence by expanding the definition of violence beyond real-world depictions and lumping all profanity together instead of differentiating based on severity. The changes stood to affect many videos, including those made before the policy was announced. Creators noticed that the new policy in effect around the end of December, with some videos being restricted in reach and ad eligibility. YouTube is listening to creators' concerns and in the process of making adjustments to the policy. However, it is unclear whether the platform will roll back enforcement for old, previously published videos that creators rely on for income. Retrofitting age restrictions and new monetization rules on a platform like YouTube is a delicate balance, and the changes had a swift, sweeping impact that gave creators little time to adapt. Microsoft is making its OpenAI ChatGPT model available in its Azure OpenAI service, enabling businesses and developers to integrate conversational AI into their cloud applications. ChatGPT can be used to create custom chatbots, summarize conversations, automate emails, and more. Azure OpenAI users can access a preview of ChatGPT, with billing starting in March 13th. The service is currently available only to Microsoft-managed customers and partners. Microsoft has a head start in the AI race, having purchased an exclusive license to the underlying technology behind GPT-3 in 2020 and has integrated several OpenAI models into Azure. The company plans to announce the future of work with AI during an event on March 16th. In other news, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in the US has launched an investigation into Tesla after receiving two reports of steering wheels falling off Model Y SUVs while driving. The incidents both occurred in brand new vehicles that were delivered without a necessary retaining bolt to attach the steering wheel to the column. The preliminary evaluation applies to over 120,000 vehicles, and the NHTSA will investigate how often the problem occurs before deciding if a recall is necessary. One of the complaints come from a viral Twitter post showing a family's Model Y steering wheel falling off while driving. Tesla quoted the owner $103.96 to repair the defect before removing the charges and issuing a replacement vehicle. This is not the first recall for Tesla in the recent months, with over 360,000 vehicles equipped with Tesla's full self-driving software recalled in February over concerns for safety vehicle and traffic laws. Other recent recalls have been dealt with via software updates. Steering wheel detachment incidents have also been previously reported on other Tesla EV models, but those incidents did not result in a recall. Spotify has announced a redesigned version of its Spotify for Podcasters dashboard that consolidates its tools for creating, managing, growing, and monetizing podcasts in one place. This includes integrating its Anchor podcast creation service, acquired for $154 million in 2019, into the dashboard. The new dashboard provides creators with data on their show's performance and allows them to create, upload, and add features to episodes. It also offers analytics to learn more about listeners' habits, including when podcasts are added to playlists. The dashboard will also integrate hosting solution Megaphone for enterprise publishers. In addition, Spotify has announced a redesign of its app with new features inspired by social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat. One of the new features is called Spotify Clips, which allow artists to add a 30-second video to their profiles, similar to the Stories feature on other social media platforms. Another feature is countdown pages, which lets artists create a dedicated space on their profile to watch a timer countdown to a new release. Both features provide new ways for artists to connect with fans and reach new listeners. Finally, DuckDuckGo, a privacy-focused search engine, has launched a beta version of its AI-powered summarization feature, DuckAssist. Drawing on natural language technology from OpenAI and AI startup Anthropic, DuckAssist summarizes straightforward search queries to directly answer users' queries. The AI technology summarizes text and synthesizes information from multiple sources, including Wikipedia and the Encyclopedia Britannica, with the aim of helping users find factual information quickly. DuckAssist is only available on DuckDuckGo's app and browser extension, and is currently only available in English. The feature is designed to increase the probability of correct answers while still enabling users to fact-check answers via reference sources. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.